Hi everybody, Mario from TCG and the law firm of Martinez and Cressman. I want to address a question that I've had online, and once in a while a client will say to me, well Mario, isn't it a conflict of interest that you have the law firm and the real estate company? You guys could all be working together, not negotiating for me so you can get the commission. Well, first of all, my inspiration for this is a company on the North Coast that has multiple offices, and one person's an attorney there and one person is the real estate hand of it, and they work together. They've been working together for decades, and even other brokers give them business. They send their clients because they know that they are a reputable law firm. Now, think about this in theory, right? Wouldn't it be easier for me to have 2 to 3 attorneys that I can send you to that I have a trato with if I wanted to like do something bad, and then later on be like, oh, well, you went to the attorneys. I don't know. That's the attorney stuff. I have no idea what happened. It would not be in my best interest or our best interest if we did something bad to send you to our own in-house where the lawyer meets with you here. He meets with you at our other Santo Domingo or Higüey office. It kind of would make things a lot more difficult for us to do something unethical like you hear from a lot of different attorneys. Our interest is you, making sure you get the best deal, even if that means not making a deal. Because here's the thing, if you're gonna buy a property with me and we look at a property and our law department, law firm says, well, that unit might not be that good for you, this is what's going on. You're still my client. You're not gonna say, well, that's it, I'm not buying in the Dominican Republic. You're gonna say, Mario, thank you so much. The lawyer looked at it, doesn't look good, let's look for another property. We continue to do the deal and nobody loses, you win, and the attorneys did their job covering you, making sure that you're okay. It's in our best interest. For anybody who's been in real estate and been in sales for a very long time, you have to understand something. We make a living by people referring clients to us. Your first year, you're figuring it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Half of our business is referrals. I want you to refer people to our law firm. I want you to refer people to our real estate company. It's in our best interest to cover you. That's the reason why we do what we do. Everything under one roof. Don't you hate it when you find a broker and then you find another attorney and the attorney sucks, or the broker sucks and the attorney's good? What we do here is we aim to fix all of that. Put everything under one umbrella to cover you, for you to be happy. We're not running anywhere. We own our office. We all work together all over social media. No one is having a conflict of interest when their interest is you, to help you. And professional real estate agents and brokers, they don't care about making the deal. If you're a real client, if the project doesn't work for you and the paperwork doesn't work for you, then we say, let's go somewhere else, and we don't even touch that project later on. Before I even opened up the law firm, my partner is part of my legal department. When it comes to, we know the big developers, those are the big developers, but the smaller developers, the individual owners, we check titles, we check IDs, we check paperwork to the best of our ability here in the Dominican Republic. I've been doing that. So your best interest has always been our interest as well. Nothing's changed. The only difference is that we formalized and we opened up a law firm to be able to help you in many different matters, not just in real estate, but in anything else that you might need. So no, it is not a conflict of interest. If anything, you have 2 teams together, united to work in your best interest. Hope that helps.